Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Abhishek Chaturvedi,
Author of.
Intralogistics Simplified.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
So, first of all, let me put it this way that this is my first visit as an author. I've attended book fairs many times, and it gives you a very different feeling when you visit like an author and you are actually a part of the show, not really a visitor.
Right.
So, that gives me a lot of different type of feel this time. So, I'm quite happy to be here as an author.
So sir, why did you choose to write about this? Is this your profession? Or?
So, all through my career, I've been operating in this particular domain, which is
Right.
intralogistics, right from the year 2000 to today.
Right.
So, almost like 24 years of experience in this domain. So, in this journey, I have collated lot of information, lot of knowledge, lot of experience.
Right.
But at the same time, I thought this is a good opportunity to give back to the industry what you have gained all these years.
Right.
And I could not come across any such book or journal where all these concepts were put together in one place. So I thought it would be a good contribution to the industry and a good contribution to those students and academia who want to enter this space,
Right.
but right now they don't have anything to fall back upon.
Right. So if you had to give one piece of advice to our community of writers, what would that be?
Just start.
Right.
It is not difficult.
Just do it.
Yeah,
basically.
just do it. I mean, as they say, they just have to start one fine day. That's it.
That's wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Yeah.
I hope you have a
Pleasure.
wonderful book fair. Congratulations on your book, sir.
Thank you.